In the end, decorating your porch is about much more than just putting up a few decorations. It's about creating an experience, telling a story, and sharing a piece of yourself with everyone who passes by. Your porch sets the tone for your home and for the night's festivities, whether you choose to make it eerie and chilling, cozy and charming, or whimsical and magical. It's a chance to slow down, enjoy the season, and connect with your family, your neighbors, and your own creativity. Take your time choosing your theme, layering your decorations, and adding those little extra touches that will delight visitors, like a hidden speaker playing spooky sounds, or a tiny black cat peeking out from under a pumpkin. Every detail helps turn your porch into something truly special, and the reactions you get, from wide-eyed kids to amused adults, will make all your effort worthwhile. Halloween only comes once a year, and it's your opportunity to embrace its magic, mischief, and fun. So light the candles, hang the cobwebs, stack the pumpkins high, and let your imagination take over. Whether your porch is welcoming or wicked, subtle or spectacular, it's a reflection of the season's joy, and of your own creative spirit. This Halloween, let your porch shine and tell a story no one will forget. At its heart, any lawn's beauty begins with greenery. It's easy to underestimate the power of a lush green carpet of grass complemented by thoughtfully placed shrubs, trees, and flowers. Consider starting by analyzing the shape and size of your lawn. Is it wide and open, or narrow and intimate? Even the smallest spaces can benefit from strategic planting that brings layers and depth, creating interest at every level. You might choose to edge your lawn with flowering borders, incorporating seasonal plants that bloom at different times of the year so there's always color and life. Imagine a line of daffodils marking the edge in spring, roses and lavender in summer, ornamental grasses swaying in autumn, and evergreens adding shape in winter. Larger trees not only provide shade and elegance but also act as anchors in the design, framing the view and adding height to the landscape. Incorporating structure, like stone pathways, low retaining walls, or raised garden beds, helps break up large expanses of grass and gives purpose to each area. Curved paths feel natural and inviting, while straight lines create a more formal atmosphere. Texture is also important. Mixing soft mosses, rough bark, delicate petals, and smooth stones can create a rich, tactile experience that draws you in. Even lawns that are primarily grassy can be enhanced with subtle elements like a single tree with a circular bench around its base, or a small island garden in the center filled with colorful perennials. These touches create points of interest and balance the openness with moments of intimacy, inviting you to explore and linger. Enjoyed these creative lawn decor ideas? Like and share this video with friends who love sprucing up their outdoor spaces. What truly makes a lawn memorable is the personal charm woven into its corners. While greenery provides the foundation, decorative features bring warmth, whimsy, and personality to the space. These can range from subtle to bold, depending on your taste and imagination. A vintage birdbath nestled under a tree can become a quiet focal point, attracting birds and adding a touch of timelessness. Garden statues, whether classical or playful, can peek out from among the plants, inviting visitors to discover them as they wander. Some people choose to add nostalgic or cultural pieces, like a stone lantern from a Japanese garden or a painted wagon while leaning against a fence. Old wooden barrels, colorful ceramic pots, or even a salvaged bicycle repurposed as a planter bring in rustic character and creativity. These little surprises scattered throughout the lawn can spark curiosity and conversation. Stepping stones painted with meaningful patterns, hand-built benches carved from fallen trees, or a hammock strung between two sturdy trunks make the lawn feel like an extension of yourself. Even small items like wind chimes, iron garden stakes, or lanterns tucked into the foliage tell a story about the people who live there. These details give your lawn a unique identity, making it feel less like a generic green space and more like a cherished sanctuary full of memories and meaning. What's your favorite lawn decor element? Garden lights, statues, or floral displays? Let us know in the comments below. While most of us focus on how our lawns look during the day, evening and nighttime can unlock an entirely new level of beauty. A well-lit lawn doesn't just increase safety and usability after dark, it transforms the entire atmosphere into something enchanting, where shadows dance and familiar shapes glow softly. Soft, warm lighting can bring out textures and subtle details, making trees and plants glow against the night sky. Imagine walking along a pathway bordered by low solar lights, with moonlight filtering through the branches overhead. Spotlights or uplights placed at the base of a tree or shrub can create dramatic silhouettes, emphasizing the height and elegance of your greenery. Hanging string lights overhead creates a cozy, magical canopy, perfect for outdoor dinners, small gatherings, or quiet nights with a book. You might also consider lanterns on the ground, fairy lights intertwined in shrubs, or even floating candles in a small water feature to elevate the ambience. The atmosphere of a lawn is about more than just what you see. The sounds of water trickling from a fountain, the soft whisper of wind through ornamental grasses, or the gentle ringing of a wind chime can all add layers of calm and charm. Thoughtful design takes into account not just sight but also sound, touch, and even scent, with fragrant flowers like jasmine, rosemary, or gardenias releasing subtle aromas as you walk through. These elements work together to create a space that engages all the senses and invites you to linger just a little longer. For more outdoor design tips and seasonal yard inspiration, subscribe now and keep your lawn looking amazing all year. Ultimately, the best lawns are the ones you want to spend time in. Decorating your lawn isn't just about making it look beautiful from the street, it's about creating spaces that are comfortable, usable, and meaningful to you and your family. Think about how you'd like to use your lawn. Maybe you want a shady nook with a small bistro table and chairs where you can sip your morning coffee. Or perhaps you'd love an open area where children and pets can play freely. You might even create distinct zones within your lawn, a flower garden along one edge, a seating area under a pergola, and a grassy expanse in the center for games and picnics. Consider adding soft touches like outdoor rugs, weatherproof cushions, or even a fire pit to make the space more inviting. Adding variety in seating options, from benches to loungers to swing seats, gives people a reason to stay outside and enjoy the fresh air. Small details like placing a bench under a fragrant tree or building a little path to a hidden corner can transform your lawn into a series of experiences rather than just a flat green surface. For larger lawns, you might include a dining area with a long table for summer evenings, or a circle of chairs around a stone fireplace for cooler nights. The more your lawn accommodates daily life, the more it becomes a treasured part of your home. A beautifully decorated lawn is more than just decoration, it's a living, breathing part of your home that reflects who you are. Over time, as the plants grow and the seasons change, your lawn will take on a life of its own, offering new surprises and joys at every turn. Each choice you make, whether it's planting a tree, adding a sculpture, or creating a quiet corner, contributes to the story your lawn tells about you. What's most rewarding is how a lawn evolves as you care for it. It begins as a vision, takes shape through your hands, and matures into a space that holds memories, moments of peace, and glimpses of beauty in every detail. You'll find that even the simplest of changes can create profound impact, turning bare patches into flower beds, empty corners into retreats, and flat expanses into places of connection. The magic of lawn decoration lies in its ability to bring joy not just to those who visit, but also to you, day after day. Walking barefoot on cool grass, sitting quietly in a shady spot, hearing the birds flutter among the branches, these little moments of pleasure are what make a lawn feel alive. It doesn't matter if it's large or small, elaborate or understated. Don't miss our other videos on patio setups, backyard ideas, and garden pathways to complement your lawn decor. What matters is the care and thoughtfulness poured into it, making it a truly special part of your home. Over the years, it becomes a quiet testament to your creativity and your love for the simple, beautiful things in life, a place where nature and personality meet in perfect harmony. It is not just a yard, but a personal retreat, a family gathering spot, a sanctuary for birds and butterflies, and a source of everyday beauty. It becomes a story written in green and stone and light, a story that grows with you.